Most people say these sentences wrong. Fix these small mistakes and sound more confident in English. Let's begin. Don't say I am very busy. Say I'm tied up right now. For example, I'm tied up right now. Can I call you later? Don't say, tell me fast. Say, could you be quick? For example, could you be quick? I'm in a meeting. Don't say, I want this. Say, I would prefer this. Example, I would prefer this option. Don't say you are wrong. Say, I see it differently. For example, I see it differently, let me explain. Don't say, what do you want? Say, how can I help you? For example, how can I help you today? You're already improving. Keep going. Small changes make a big difference. Don't say, listen to me. Say, let me explain. Example, let me explain. It's actually simple. Don't say, I am waiting. Say, I'll wait here. Example, I'll wait here, take your time. Don't say, come fast. Say, could you come soon? Example, could you come soon? We're starting. Don't say, I think so. Say, it seems so. Example, it seems so, but I'll confirm. Don't say no idea, say I'm not sure. For example, I'm not sure, let me check. You're already improving. Keep going. Small changes make a big difference. Don't say why. Say, could you explain why? For example, could you explain why this happened? Don't say, do it now. Say, could you do it now? Example, could you do it now, if possible? Don't say, I am tired. Say, I'm a bit tired. Example, I'm a bit tired. I'll rest for a while. Don't say, wait for me. Say, hold on for me. For example, hold on for me, I'll be there. Don't say, I will go. Say, I'll head out. Example, I'll head out now. You're already improving. Keep going. Small changes make a big difference. Don't say, not now. Say, maybe later. Example, maybe later, I'm busy now. Don't say, give me that. Say, could you pass that? Example, could you pass that to me? Don't say, I am thinking. Say, let me think. Example, let me think. I'll decide soon. Don't say, I am confused. Say, I'm a little unsure. Example, I'm a little unsure. Could you explain it again? Don't say, I can't do it. Say, I'll do my best. I'll do my best and let you know. Start using these sentences today. Speak a little better every day, and you will become confident. Subscribe to improve your English daily.